Welcome to the SnapCare Job Board, your all-in-one platform to find PRN shifts, travel or local contracts, and permanent healthcare positions nationwide. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to search, filter, and apply for jobs that match your license, preferences, and lifestyle. To get started, head to snapcare.com and click on Find a Job. That will take you directly to the full job board where you can begin browsing open positions. Once on the job board, use the filters on the left to customize your search. Filter by job type, PRN, contract, or permanent, and then choose your preferred state, license type, and specialties. Here's a tip. Start broad and then refine your filters as you go to make sure you're not missing any great opportunities. You'll see a list of available jobs, each showing the weekly pay, location, shift type, and job duration. For example, here's a travel contract for an RN in Lancaster, California, paying $3,920 a week. Click on any listing to view full job details, including qualifications, benefits, shift expectations, and specific requirements. Once you've found a match, hit the I'm interested button to notify our recruitment team right away. If you're not yet logged in, you'll be prompted to create or sign into your SnapCare account before moving forward. To streamline the process, make sure that your SnapCare profile is complete and your credentials are up to date. This ensures faster matching and reduces delays when you're ready to work. Take control of your healthcare career today. Visit the SnapCare Job Board to find flexible, high-paying opportunities that align with your skills, schedule, and goals.